Well, hi everyone. Come on into my studio. This is Nancy. I'm getting ready to teach my Mosaic Mandala design workshop tonight, the first of 4 sessions. This is the kind of design we'll be doing. This is a sample I made for class, although everyone, of course, will be creating their own designs and their own colors. Tonight we'll figure out our designs using a little bit of math, protractors, compasses, rulers. That's the fun part. And then all day Saturday and Sunday, we'll be setting our design. So what we'll be using are these gorgeous, gorgeous colors of 7/8 inch vit glass. We'll be using glass tools to cut and shape them into different designs for our mandala. So let's see. Yeah, here are some of the glass tools we'll be using. Of course, a score, wheeled nippers, and running pliers. I will be sure to be posting pictures of their progress, so be sure to follow Mosaic's Garden by Nancy Keating on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll also be posting on the Facebook page Mosaics and Wine.